What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today we're doing an unboxing and setting up a new iMac that we received. I received at my 9 to 5 job. We received two of these guys, and my good friend actually put one to the side for me to do an unboxing with you guys and a setup. I can't really do a review because there's a lot of reviews in the YouTube world that you could just check out, but today's just basically doing an unboxing and setting up. You're probably saying, what iMac did you get? Got my trusty black book right here, and let's look at the notes. So we picked up two 24-inch 2024 iMac with the Apple M4 chip. This particular model has 10 cores for the CPU, 10 cores for the GPU, 24 gigs of memory, 24. Awesome. That's crazy. It's 24-inch, 2024, 24 gigs, 10 and 10. And now for storage, forgot about that one. For storage, it is 512 gigs of solid state drive, which is awesome. So yeah, I'm yapping a lot, but I'm super excited about unboxing this guy and testing it out. I'm not going to do a follow-up video with you guys because I actually have to set it up and deploy it to one of my 9 to 5 end users at the marketing department because they need a upgrade right away. So let's get right into it. All right, so what type of accessories does this guy bring? We have our mouse, cool. We have our Bluetooth keyboard. You have a Type-C to Type-C cable, which allows you to do hardwire on the keyboard if you don't want to use the Bluetooth. We have our power cable. We have our power brick right here. The RJ45 port is actually embedded into the power adapter. That's new. Cool. All right, that's it. That is my unboxing on the 2024 24-inch iMac with the Apple M4 chip. Oof, that's a mouthful. Yeah, that's it. We're not really doing any reviews or anything on this particular machine. There's a bunch of reviews out there. I just wanted to do an unboxing and do a quick setup. I definitely need to get it up and running for the end user for the following week because they need it. They have a major project and I need to install all the software, like our antivirus software, Office, Adobe Creative Cloud, Photoshop, Illustrator, all that stuff that they need to work and get the project going and complete it successfully. So this is a big upgrade for them. So hopefully you guys enjoy this unboxing and setting up this iMac with the Apple M4 chip. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.